Hi guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add sections and chapters on Pressbook, and I will also show you how to choose a theme for your book and where you can play around with the theme options and customize your styles. To start with building your book, you will click on the Organize tab. This tab allows you to basically create the outline of your book. You have the option to add front matter or back matter, and you also have the option to add titles or add chapters. Also over here you can click on the tab here, what sections you want to add, or you can click on it here, whatever way you prefer. But this basically allows you to create the outline of the book. Next, I want to show you how to play around with the theme of your book. So what you'll do is you'll click on the Appearance tab, and then here you will see that you can play with themes, theme options, and custom styles. You start with themes. This is where you basically have the option to choose a theme. You can see there's around like 20 or so different options, but here you can pick and choose which one you like and play around with it. Theme option is where you can play around with exactly what you want to add or take away from the theme. Also at the top you have the option of how your end product will look. So if it's going to be on the web, you can see what you can add and take away on the web section, on your PDF options, or if it's going to be an ebook. So you have different ways to play around with that. And then custom styles, it will load, is basically for anyone who's into coding. If you're into coding and you want to create your a whole new type of theme, this is where you have that option. That is not my area of expertise. So if you're into coding, this is where you can find it. And again, you also have the option to edit, of how you edit for if you're using the web, ebook, or PDF. So that is my quick tutorial of how to format and select a theme for your book on Pressbook.